To set up YouTube TV on your smart TV, start by making sure your TV is connected to the internet. This will allow you to access the various apps available on your smart TV, including YouTube TV. Next, go to the App Store on your TV, which is usually found on the home screen. The App Store may be called something like Smart Hub, Google Play Store, or App Store, depending on the brand of your TV. Search for YouTube TV in the App Store and select the app to download it. Once the download is complete, select the Install or Add to Home option to install the app on your TV. After installation, open the YouTube TV app and sign in with your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you can create one for free. Once you are signed in, you will be prompted to select your location and agree to the terms of service. You will also be asked to confirm your location to ensure you can access the correct channels and content. After setting up your location, you can start browsing the various channels and content available on YouTube TV. You can search for specific shows or channels, or browse through the different categories such as sports, news, or movies. To access live TV, select the Live tab and browse through the various channels available. You can also record shows and movies using the Cloud DVR feature, which allows you to store up to 9 months of recordings. Finally, you can customize your YouTube TV experience by adding or removing channels, setting up multiple profiles, and adjusting the parental controls. By following these steps, you can easily set up YouTube TV on your smart TV and start enjoying your favorite shows and movies.